Let's talk about prejudice against fathers. We get many comments from divorced and single fathers who describe how often fathers, and sometimes mothers too, to be honest, but mostly fathers, are prejudged by allegations, mere allegations of spousal abuse, child abuse, and/or child neglect without a preponderance of evidence to support the allegations. It is no secret in the legal profession that many courts, some unwittingly, will apply the preponderance of evidence standard on what you might call a sliding scale, meaning that they find the preponderance of evidence is met with scanty evidence if the allegations the other parent is making are sufficiently heinous. Otherwise stated, if a mother accuses a father of being inattentive, the preponderance of evidence is far more likely to be fairly applied, as opposed to a situation in which a mother accuses a father of being seriously, physically, or sexually abusive, in which case some judges or domestic relations commissioners will find a preponderance of evidence exists, not because it actually does, but because the court doesn't want to take any chances.